Do you want to experience the Raspberry Pi desktop operating system right on your Windows computer? In this video, I will show you how to easily and quickly install Raspberry Pi desktop on Hyper-V. First, make sure that Hyper-V is enabled on your Windows system. If it's not, please check out the tutorial video linked in the description below. Next, download the Raspberry Pi desktop ISO file from the official website. I've included the download link in the description below for quick access. Then, scroll down the page and select the appropriate Raspberry Pi desktop version to download. Alright, let's open Hyper-V and get started. In the Hyper-V Manager window, right-click on your computer's name, select New, and then choose Virtual Machine. On the Before You Begin screen, click Next to continue. Next, give your virtual machine any name you like so that it's easier to manage later. Select Generation 1 to ensure the best compatibility with Raspberry Pi desktop. Next, enter the amount of RAM for your virtual machine. I recommend setting at least 2 GB to ensure Raspberry Pi desktop runs smoothly. In the Configure Networking window, select a pre-created virtual network switch so that the virtual machine can access the Internet. Set the size to at least 20 GB to ensure enough space for installation and storage. Next, select Install an operating system from a bootable, then check imagefile.iso and choose the Raspberry Pi desktop ISO file you downloaded earlier. Finally, in the Summary window, click Finish to create the new virtual machine. Now, select the virtual machine you just created in Hyper-V Manager, then click Connect. Then press the Start button to power it on. At the boot screen, select Graphical Install, then press Enter to start the installation in graphical mode. Next, select the keyboard layout that suits you, then click Continue to proceed. Select the first option, then click Continue to proceed with the installation. Click Continue to proceed to the next step. Select the first option to install the entire system onto the disk. Keep the default, then click Continue to proceed. Select Yes to write the changes to the disk and start the installation process. Now wait a moment while the system copies the files and installs Raspberry Pi desktop onto your virtual machine. The waiting time will depend on your computer's configuration and hard drive speed. Select Yes, then click Continue to proceed with the Grub bootloader installation. Next, select the second option to install the GRUBB bootloader, then click Continue to proceed. The installation is complete. Click Continue to finish the setup. At the Create User screen, enter your username, password, and any other required information. Then click Next to proceed. You can choose Next to update the system now, or select Skip to skip this step and update later. Finally, click Restart to reboot the virtual machine and start exploring Raspberry Pi desktop. And that's it. We've successfully installed Raspberry Pi Desktop on Hyper-V. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the next tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.